Hey everybody, I've got a 2018 Jeep JLU, beautiful day here in northern Utah. I wanted to replace my carpeted floor mats in the Jeep, and so I jumped on the internet. I was looking at a few different brands. I looked at the WeatherTechs and they're pretty expensive. I found these, looked at some reviews. For the price, I got these on Amazon about a week ago for $103 shipped to my door. So it's a pretty good deal. Super easy to install. I'm going to start here in the back seat. Vacuum the crap out of it. Super dirty. I have two kids, 5 and 7 year old, boy and a girl, and they seem to trash it pretty good. So anyway, I'm hoping that these floor mats will alleviate a lot of the cleanup that I have to do on the carpet, and I hope to keep it looking pretty good. I mean, I don't trash my vehicles, but I also don't over baby them either. So anyway, I will get the first floor mat into the Jeep, which will be this one, and this is the passenger side. And they simply drop in just like the other, your factory floor mats. Everything lines up where it should, and they just pop down. Super simple. I've had these acclimating in my house for since I got them a few days ago, just so that they would be a little easier to install. That looks great. Wow, they fit really well. They've done a good job designing these. I like the fact that there's a lip that runs up and around this. That's sweet. Catch a lot of their dirty feet messes, especially when we go up to the mountain and go ski. My little boy skis and I snowboard, so maybe that'll help keep the carpets a little cleaner. Here's the other side here. Let's see. Throw this in here. Get him to lay down in. Right there, see? It pops. Just like factory. Stretch a little bit. Pop. Perfect. Dude, these are sweet. Super easy install. Oh, I might have to set the camera down for this one. It might take 2 hands. I don't know. Oh, yep. This one's definitely going to take 2 hands. Oh, got one. There's 2. There's 3. Oh, maybe I didn't push it far enough. Now, I looked at buying these from the dealer, and they wanted almost $200. Now, I love my dealer, but man, you guys need to do some shopping on the internet. I know it sucks because, we're supposed to support local, but I'm also supposed to be able to support myself, right? I like shopping local, but I also need to keep my own head above water. Ah, that was easy. So, there's the backs. Nice red Jeep logo. Kind of a topographical map look to them. Nice pickaxe, shovel logo here. Got our Jeep here. On the other passenger side, it's just got the Jeep logo. So, yeah. Those are awesome. I'm just sitting in there nice and flat. They look as good as my factory carpet mats. So on the front, it's a little bit different story. There's the cutouts right here, right there. So you got to get a razor blade and trim these out just a smidge. So do this real quick. My blade. I watched one of these and the guy didn't cut these really well. Oh, easy. And then reach in, grab your floor drain, pop that out. Look at that. There it is, to the floor. All right, well, from the floor to the ground. Now, I'm kind of, I don't know, a little OCD. I'm going to save these because who knows, on the next person that buys this Jeep from me, they might want these. So I'm going to leave them with the Jeep. There's a little storage area in the back. So I'm going to drop them in there. Let's see, which side is driver? This is driver. Okay, so these will drop in just the same. Down underneath the mat, locks down in, locks down in. Now here's the cool part. You've got where the drain is. There it is. Okay, all you do, put your hand on it and push it around, and it, a little bit of force, and it should drop down into that hole. At least that's what the instructions say that it will do. Oh, I feel it. Let's see, I need two hands here. Oh, hi. Guess what? There she is. Now, to keep that from coming back up in, put your factory plug in it and you're done. Sweet. These look great. I'm super excited on these. Just want to make sure they're down in there. All right, repeat the same process for the passenger side. Oops, forgot my blade. That, I'll reinstall that. I have that little video in another tutorial on my center console in another video I did. Oh, I'm put my seat back. Okay, so once again, find the floor drain. Remove that plug. Well, that nice and easy, super clean. Pull the plug out. That's done. Dirty. Put your floor mat in. Yeah, I think so. Dude, they just pop right in. That's awesome. Pretty sure that's down in there. Double check it just to. There it goes. Nice and flat. Replace my factory plug. Dude, it's that easy. It took me longer to vacuum these carpets for my kids than it did to install those, and they look fantastic. Yeah, super awesome. So for 103 bucks, you can't beat that. They look great. They're gonna keep my carpet a lot cleaner, especially with a couple kids. I'll probably go get a little cleaner and get that back to black. So anyway, that's it for that install. That was nice and easy. It's gonna make my Jeep stay a lot nicer on the inside. It's been snowing here finally. Ski resorts are starting to open, and it's time to go rip it up. So until next time, we'll see you later.